Thank you for your interest in Metro Storage. We understand that storage companies are a bit of a mystery to most people. These simple steps will talk you through storing your belongings with us. First, select the unit size that's right for you based on your requirements, using our helpful size guide which can be found on our website. Once you know the size unit you need, click on the Get a Quote button on our website. We will ask you a few simple questions and then send you your storage quote via email. If you're still unsure which storage unit you need or would like to view, you can book a viewing online at a time that works for you. We'll happily show you around our safe, clean and accessible stores. Ready to book? Simply book online or give us a call on 0800 999 5881. Once you've completed the booking form and paid, we'll send you an access code so you can enter the store at any time during our extensive opening hours. Now you're ready to start storing your belongings. We also have free parking outside all of our sites, making dropping off your belongings easy and stress-free. If you have any questions during your time with us, just let us know. We'd love to help. We hope you have a great experience storing with us.